Welcome to another episode of Supernatural Stories. For today, we have a story from Mr. Ali, who works as a crane operator. My name is Ali. I've been working as a crane operator for more than 5 years. Heard many stories of people encountering the mystical creature or paranormal, but not once myself until this day. So, for this project, I have to do the crane works at night. So, this one night, it was after the break, I recall. I went up to my crane and we have a walkie-talkie with the ground team. So as per usual, communicating with my ground team, moving stuff here and there, I suddenly saw a white cloth at the top of my crane. At the start, when I saw that, I thought to myself, whose clothes were stuck at the top of the crane? When suddenly I came to my senses and think, how could it be up there? So what I did next was I comms using the walkie-talkie to the ground team and asked them, do you guys see that? The thing that is on top of my crane? All of them went silent. And suddenly they replied, yep. I asked them, what is that? Because it is not clear from my view. Then suddenly they went quiet again. On the comms, I repeatedly asked, what is that? Hello, hello, hello. But they went silent. And suddenly, when I looked down at all of them, they will all group up together. And soon later, on the walkie-talkie, I hear them comms saying, Ali, come down. Don't look at it, come down. I said, why? And they said, just come down. Before preparing to come down, I suddenly hear banging noise coming from the top of my crane. And when I look at the white cloth, it is not in view. At that moment, my heartbeat raced. And suddenly the comm said, Ali, wait for a while. It's near your entry. Puzzled still, in the cabin, I suddenly hear and the smell of the frangipani flower. At that point, I was so scared, I almost peed myself. But then, things got worse when I heard it call my name and started laughing. After a while, sitting there and muttering prayers, the comm said it is okay to come down now. So I quickly took my stuff and go all the way down and asked, what is that? When I reached the bottom of the crane, I remembered everyone asking me if I am okay. I said yes. And when I asked what is it, they said the white cloth flew from the top of your crane to your cabin, and that is why we asked you to wait. At that point, everyone was scared cause we got disturbed by the kakak cantik. After that experience, I could not forget the voice of the lady in white, or the Pontianak, calling my name. Ali, Ali. So that's the story from Mr. Ali, working as a crane operator and having a scary spiritual experience. So if you guys have your own ghost story, be sure to DM me or like and share, and please leave in the comments or anything if you want to share with everyone else, okay? Because we are on YouTube, this is the YouTube camera on top of the phone. Then this is TikTok camera. So you guys can watch me on TikTok or YouTube. Be sure to subscribe more stuff on YouTube because there's a bunch of things. There is ghost hunts, there is multiple paranormal things on this channel. So YouTube is at Fast Forward Media and on TikTok is Foxes SG. Thank you guys for watching. I need to cover 2 cameras with my hand. Okay, subscribe and follow. Good night.